What is up, YouTube? This is Lee with Can You Hear Me? Bringing you another video. You already kind of see the setup I'm about to do right now. So, yes, we're taking off this ugly rear diffuser. The exhaust tips got to go to those fake exhaust tips. So, first things first, dude gotta find the rivets. That one's already broke. Yes, you have to take off all the rivets. Just hit my face. So right there. And then there's one on the end on each side. So I did just take off one of the rivets. I think you can still use them if they're in good shape. If the other diffuser that you're putting on kind of takes those, they should. But yeah, you can still use them if they're still in good shape. So I got them all out. So it should just come off. They're all out. So, and I don't think any of these rivets lasted me. I think that's one that did last me. All of them are broke off. They're all broke off. So I think only one actually comes up right. And now you have to take off these fake tips. So you're gonna have this one right here, that one, those two, and that one. This is gonna be the most complicated part just because these are in tight spaces and I do not have the right tool to get these off. So we're gonna try to get these off as best as we can. Do got one hand, so that's why I did not record taking off the diffuser. This is kind of sit up taking this off using my other hand. Did just take one off. Now I'm down. I think I'm gonna get that last. These two, just break them. Break every little piece that's on there. So it'll be easier to pull it off on the other side if you break all the little pieces. Move them real tight. That one should come out as soon as I get over there. That's one. And that's the other. So I did just take the tips off. Now I gotta take this little trim off. These just slide right through. There's one more rivet that I missed, just that one, and it comes right off. So this is a lot of rivets. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you do need a longer tool to get this middle one off, something like this, because that is kind of far in here, under here. This helps. Okay, so I don't know how I put off one of the rivets and the whole thing came off. So now all I gotta do is just put on a new one and then I'll be done. Looks a lot better. my keys are in there. They are clip-in. You do have like 2 clips right here, 2 clips right here, 2 clips on this side, 2 clips right here, and 2 clips right here. They all do clip in just to keep it in place, but you do, if you get the one I got, older mine off of eBay, you will have to drill some holes. I highly recommend these tools when taking off those rivets of the stock diffuser. They will become your best friends. These are literally your best friends taking off the rear diffuser. To this coronavirus situation, a lot of stuff closed before I even get off. I needed to go to AutoZone and pick up a few rivets to finish the rear diffuser install, but I couldn't do that. So right now I'm going to one of my friend's house to see if they can install it for me. He likes to, I don't know if my windows probably can't even hear me. Right now I'm going to my friend's house because he likes to help do stuff on cars. So yeah, we're gonna see what he wants to do, and I also have something else to install on my car. I'm gonna see if he wants to also put on my exhaust, not my headers right now, because running headers without a tune, it's not really good for your car. So I'm gonna see if he wants to at least put on my exhaust so I can get an inspection, because my inspection is due next month. And like I said, I don't know how this coronavirus situation is gonna go. I don't even know if they're gonna make us do inspection or if they're gonna make us wait, but I'm not even gonna take the chance. Okay, so what we're about to do is he's getting his drill, and we're gonna drill to line this up all the way across. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just let me know of anything else that you guys want to see on the car. I don't know why my other video, it said something about the comments were turned off. I'm gonna try to look more into it. But if you could guys please like, subscribe, I greatly appreciate it. And I'm out.